11 years ago, I experienced my first migraine. And then fast forward, moving to America, they increased. And then inexplicably, they went away in spring of 2016. And so I had full health for about 3 months, and then I was in a car accident. And then from that point on, the migraines increased in frequency, in their severity, and their duration. After a number of months and then into years, it wasn't just migraines, it was fatigue, muscle aches, brain fog, low energy, and those kinds of things. And so that culminated in September 2018, I was unable to carry on working. So basically not able to kind of carry on normal life. And so with that really triggered off a much more concentrated effort to really get to the bottom of it. The thing that was really debilitating to me, though, there was not the migraines on their own, it was all the other symptoms. I had no energy, I had no strength, I was wiped out easily. And I'd had enough. And so I can't remember if I found your business card or I just remembered that recommendation from those two friends. And I said, okay, I can't live like this. It's just too much. And so I called, and there was a slot that opened up. Actually, I got a call back because one of your classes, your introductory classes, was full. But then got a call back about 10 minutes later saying a spot just opened up. So I came to your class in January, and that was where things started to turn around. And then you suggested the treatment, which is the CNSR. I don't know if you want me to give any details about that, but yeah, well, so you suggested that we do this treatment, and can't remember the level of detail you told me, but you told me it involved a balloon going up the nasal cavity. I was like, okay, it can't hurt worse than what I've been experiencing, and I was game. And so my first adjustment was on March 3rd, and I'd already booked a family vacation, leaving 2 days later to go to Florida for 2 weeks. And by Thursday, I was still feeling pretty rough. And I was feeling really rough that week. I came in, I was in really bad shape, all the symptoms. So I came in, and it was a little bit like kind of last hope. I thought either I'm going to be convalescing for 2 weeks, but my hope was that I would have a really good vacation with my family. We don't go on vacation that often, and I was really looking forward to it. Tempered by the fact that I was in really bad shape. So Wednesday we had the adjustment. That Friday and the next week is the first time that I've felt completely well in over 4 years. So I had complete restoration of health, not just not feeling like I'm getting a migraine, but I had all my strength, I had all my energy, I had no brain fog. It was unbelievable. I mean, I was running around the airport with 2 kids under my arms, and I just had the best week. Yeah, thank you doesn't just seem like an adequate word for what you've done for me and our family, and maybe I should bring my friends in here as well, and my family, just so they could tell you what it's like to have somebody who is kind of themselves for the first time in many, many years. It means a huge amount.